whilst I was putting this month's Stampin' Selections kit together, I thought I'd just come and give you a quick peek at what was in this month's kit. From now on, I am accepting 6-month subscription because they are quite popular. So I'm just going to show you what the ladies got this month. And I'm taking orders for next month so that I can get nice and prepared and get them all out on time. So this month's was surrounding the new Petal Palette suite. Quite a lot of the ladies took the option to buy the stamp bundle with the coordinating thinlets, which gets them an extra little freebie. All of my kits, every single thing, every single penny that you pay goes towards product. The postage is free, that's on me. I'm just very good at putting kits together, so I can manage to make them as much of a bargain as I possibly can. I do add a lot of handmade elements. You will see some pretty decorating. So this kit this month, there you can see the box. I even decorate the boxes, and they do come all wrapped beautifully in tissue, and yeah, all lovely and waterproof. In disposable boxes, so that you're not cluttering up your craft room with lots and lots of boxes. You can recycle the boxes, you can use the cardboard in mini albums, you can make all sorts out of the boxes, but they are meant to be disposable. They're not, I don't charge you for the box. So in this kit we had some sheets of 12 by 12 black cardstock, window sheet there. We've got 6 full 12 by 12 sheets of the patterned paper, one of each. We've got some of the lovely wooden elements. Again, I spent a whole day making these flowers and I made them just to decorate the packaging. But that is the touches that you will get with my kits. This is a special little envelope that I've decorated that has got enamel shapes in. We have some ribbon here, 2 lots of ribbon on a spool, which is actually MDF. So that can be used again and again, MDF. Doilies and pretty pegs. We've got 2 packs of the Memories and More, some of the smaller ones, some of the larger ones. Again on a pretty peg with some of my lovely handmade flowers. And then we have the cardstock, some A4. So as well as the 12 by 12 cardstock, you're also getting A4, and I think there's 3 different colours, and you're getting 2 sheets of each there. We've got Tranquil Tide, Powder Pink, and I think that is Pulpata. So if you was to calculate the amount of cardstock in this kit, if all you wanted to do was make cards, I would hazard a guess, goodness knows how many cards you'd be able to get. You'd get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You'd get 12 card bases just out of this. And then you've got 2 sheets of 12 by 12 as well. So, you know, it's pretty good value for money. I try and add 12 by 12s where I can, in case anybody wants to do 3D projects or whatever they want to do. And then you can cut them up yourself. So you've got an awful lot there, an awful lot. And next month is going to be another beautiful one, so keep your eyes out. You can opt in or opt out, but I am now taking 6-month subscription. You don't have to pay all at once, you can still pay monthly, but if you complete 6 months at a time without taking a break, you'll get on the 7th month a free bonus kit. An extra, that's a specially made up kit. It won't be a free monthly kit, it's a special kit, okay? And with all of my kits from March, I have trialled it this month and it's worked and I've managed it. From March, all of my Stampin' Selection kits also come with a PDF tutorial for 6 cards and 1 3D project, okay? So that will be a downloadable PDF, and on top of that I'm going to do video tutorials for them as well. So I don't think you can get a better bargain than my Stampin' Selections kits. So there you go, and you're getting all of that, a PDF downloadable tutorial plus from March exclusive video tutorials. I always do little offers if you buy the coordinating stamp set and if you buy the bundle. So if you want a really great way of getting your hands on Stampin' Up products without having to buy a whole suite, Stampin' Selections are the way to go. So I hope you will order one. If you're interested, you can leave a message here and I'll contact you, or you can email me at amandacharlesworth08@gmail.com. But I'm always around on Facebook, so feel free to message me anytime. I think the ladies are going to have awesome fun with this. Oh, I also forgot to mention that I have also added a custom made spritz. So this has been made. It has got Pull Party ink in, and it has got a special alcohol solution to keep it fresh. And yeah, so you can spritz away and practice with that to change the colour of the papers as well. So there you go. I think the ladies will love this kit. I can't wait to see what they do with it, and hopefully they'll post their beautiful projects for everybody to see. Thanks for watching. Bye.